Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows step by step. So a lot of my friends have been asking me if I could make a quick video of how I do my eyebrows. So as you can see, this is how my eyebrows look without any cosmetic on it. The way I do my eyebrows is nothing really crazy into it. I just do it step by step. So I'm using two products. So I have this L'Oreal Paris Brow Style Shape and Fit. I'm on shade Dark Brunette. Comes with this blending brush, and this is a pencil clay. I'm gonna use this to start off with a line to create my eyebrow shape. What I usually do is, this is where your eyebrows start from the outward. Yeah, right here. So that's how far it will go. For the middle part where you arch your eyebrows, what I usually do is I line up here, not in the bottom. Of the bottom ones where it start right here. For this one, I am gonna line up in here, right there, and see the middle part right here where it arch. So that's what I'm gonna make a point. And for this, I'm not really worried about it since I don't put any product in here, but I'm just gonna do it right here just to make sure, just to give you a gist of how it looks like. So this right here, that right there, and for the last part right here. So it's basically like a compass ruler I do when you measure something using a straight line pencil. I'm gonna do the other side, same thing as well. Do this like that. It doesn't have to be perfect line. For the middle part here, as you can see, it arch right there, and the last part is right here, right here. This is where it stops. What I do next is I'm finally going to use this to line up the bottom part. It's hard to use a camera as a mirror, so I am going to use a mirror right here. What I do is I don't draw it really hard. I just like kind of touch the surface to create a line. Let's do it like that. I'm not putting pressure on the pencil. I'm gonna start from here. We're working my way out there. I am not gonna include this part since once this area filled up, I am just gonna get some part of the product and blend it inwards. So like that, and the top part. Area. So that's where you arch it. There and there. See, you're kind of just drawing a line. It might not be perfect, but you can clean that up later using a concealer. I'll do the other side, the bottom as well. That's how it looks for now. After that part, I am not gonna use the pencil anymore. That one is just to make an outline or make a line. $1 Billion Brows, and it's a clay taupe shade. So I am just gonna dip the clay. As you can see there, it's a clay. I'm just gonna dip my brush right here. I have this pointy brush and a blending brush for the eyebrows. I'm gonna start from here and work my way out. So as you can see, I have line up, but I gotta re-line up it again. And don't worry about this dot thing because I'm just gonna get rid of that later. Get one more here and arch it. Now I am going to start filling up the middle. I'm gonna dip some more of the product, start working. See how it looks when you don't go all the way in this one and you just blend this part. It looks nice. So I would recommend that if you want a good looking eyebrows. I'm gonna do the other side. As you can see, again, I am going to line it up. My hair is kind of growing in this part. I haven't flapped that. Since I have lined it up again, I am going to fill the middle part now. Start filling up the part. Okay, so that's how I normally do the filling, the lining and everything. Now the part is where you blend. Just brush my hair off upward. So what I do is that like blend like that. It's not that clean right now. I am going to fix that later, but brush off the hair. As you can see, there's a line right there. I am going to clean that up later as well. Just blend and brush the hair off there to soften the surface, and it looks clean. You can compare this part. Doesn't look blended. Look at this part, it looks soft and smooth, so it needs blending. Oh, let's do the other side. Okay, so I am going to use my ColourPop concealer that I got, and it's on shade medium dark. So I'm just gonna get some of the product and swatch it here, and I am not gonna use that much. Use this pointy brush from my Luxie collection, and I'm just gonna get some of the concealer product in here, and I'm gonna start cleaning out my eyebrows in the bottom. And that up like that. Like that, and I'm just gonna start blending it so it looks way cleaner that way. This is what I think and my preference, so you don't have to do it if you don't want to, but this is how I do my eyebrows. So cleaning that out. You don't have to use brush for this. You can just use your fingers to blend, put some concealer on, but I think it's better for you to use a brush so you have a better result. Do that, and the top part as well, in the surface right there. If you need some more of the product of the concealer, you can just go ahead and get some more, but it's better to clean up your eyebrows for this. So that's what I do, and I like using my pinky to blend. I like using my finger because your finger has body heat to it, and it makes the product melt, and it looks way better that way. And I have more control of using my fingers. Now I'm gonna do the other side and just line up it again like that. Line that up again. If you need some more of the product, just get some. Apart. I'm going to blend that using my finger again. Okay. And my finger is clean. You have to clean your finger before you touch your face. So before I start doing all this stuff in here, make sure you clean your hands. Wash it. Just brush that off like that. Put the hair at the same direction where your eyebrows go in. There. This is my finished look. How I do my eyebrows. It's not hard. You can just do step by step. And if I'm not filming it, I probably get this done about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, my friends that have been asking this video, I finally made it for you guys. I hope this video helped and give you some ideas how you do your eyebrows. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, give this a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please click the ring bell button below just in case if I upload new videos you'll get notified. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye.